Okay guys, so Steve's over here. There's like a road crossing over here. And it's a sign, slow and watch for hikers, PCT crossing. I just want you for a minute, let me zoom out. I want you to listen to the power of this windmill. Almost sounds like a turbine from a jet airplane. Yeah, my video doesn't do it justice of absolutely how humongously big this windmill is. It is huge. Anyway, little me compared to the windmill. I don't know if you can get me and the windmill in there to see how big it is, but anyway, time to go catch up again. The sun feels wonderful. It's to have a little bit of warmth even though it's cold and breezy. Just a little bit of that sun. Anyway, talk to you guys later. Bye.